So this is going to be a bit of a companion video to my last one where I talked about habitat. This is going to be about planting flowers in the garden for pollinators, and especially flowers that are native to your area and your region. So why would you want to do this? If you're a gardener, you're like, what? I'm not focusing on flowers, I'm focusing on edibles. Why do I need flowers? So if you're just focusing on edibles, then you might not have that many pollinators coming along in your garden. So you want to pair that up with flowers that are very attractive to your pollinators, so they have something to forage, and while they're foraging those very attractive flowers, they'll come along and hit all of your edibles that need pollination as well. So these are some examples of very prolific flowers in the garden, and I'll show you another one. These are not necessarily natives to my area, but I am working on starting some native flowers for pollinators in my seed station right now. These guys are not in full bloom, but when they are, the bees go crazy for it. So in California, where I live, one really good example is alyssum. They just explode with tons of tiny little flowers. Sort of similar to the crassula over here. And if you've got them really going, then they can just keep coming back year over year as a perennial, because they just make little seeds and drop them, and they'll just keep on reestablishing themselves. So yeah, definitely try to include flowers in your garden for pollinators to forage.